Good morning, children. Good morning. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you
Yes,
see?
yes, ma'am.
What, what can you see? Just tell me. Festival. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, today we are not having any regular subjects like maths, English, and all. Okay. We are going for a tour. Okay, where we are going to Uttarakhand. Now, Uttarakhand is a state where in India. Okay, it was first Uttaranchal. Now it is become Uttarakhand. So just to take you there, we want to like to tell you different subjects we are doing different tour. Now maths you will be learning about the area, population and all you will be learning. In English we are learning about the festival. In Hindi you will be learning about the poets of Uttarakhand. So this is all the tour of Uttarakhand we are doing today. Okay. So Uttarakhand is the place, is the God's land. This is Devon ka bhumi, we say. Okay. So today that English virtual trip to Uttarakhand, and in English we have taken the topic of festivals of Uttarakhand. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Yes,
Uttarakhand,
ma'am.
yes. Uttarakhand is the northeast there, the state of India country. So we will see where Uttarakhand, everything I will tell you. This is we are doing just English virtual trip to Uttarakhand. And our topic is about the festival. What it is? We are going to learn about the festivals of Uttarakhand. Now you can see their first slide only. There's so many festivals is there. So we will learn about each festival. Okay, we will learn about each festival. Okay. Now I told you Uttarakhand. You maybe you have heard about Uttarakhand. Okay. Have you heard about Uttarakhand, children? Yes, Uttarakhand. You know, lot of things is there. You will learn in Kannada about how we came to know much more of Uttarakhand as a disaster we had there. Okay, but now we will learn about the festival. We all celebrate festival, yes, isn't it? Yes or no? We have learned, yeah, we have learned in English Neil and their festival. Yes, the festival. So every state, every region, every caste community, every have different festival. So today the tour is to Uttarakhand, and this Uttarakhand is the place we call the land of gods. Why we call the land of gods? Because many temples are there, where temples we worship. So you may be the famous Ganga Aarti takes place also here. So Uttarakhand is called the land of gods. What it is called? What it is called? Yeah. Yes, land of, yes, 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 land of gods. Now, Uttarakhand, the next you can see, the Uttarakhand has the nickname Devabhumi, means what is Devabhumi? Meaning means the land of the gods. Devabhumi, matlab Devlok udhar, Dev, Bhagwan, they all there, they are there. So many temples are there. So many temples there. The many stories are there. We will learn little about it today. So Uttarakhand has the nickname. What nickname? What is the nickname of Uttarakhand? Deva Bhumi. What? Deva Bhumi. Okay, Deva Bhumi. What is that Deva? Yes. What is, yes? What is that Deva Bhumi means? The land of gods. What it is? The land of gods. Dev ki Bhumi means the land of gods in English. So it was formerly called Uttaranchal. Earlier, it was formerly called Uttaranchal. Earlier, it was called Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand. Okay. So you understood why it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Uttarakhand is called? What it is called? Tell me. What it is called? Huh? Devbhoomi. Yes. Yes. Ah. Yes. Very good. Yes. Devbhoomi. Yes. Devbhoomi means what? The land of gods. The land of gods. So now you see here the map of India. Have you seen any time map of India, children? A
Am I
country.
Indian?
Yes, see that you can see there the map of map of India. This is our country's map. Okay, all you can see all the states that mark there. Okay, Karnataka you can see Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, all the states marking us there. But in red color you can see something in that white. That is yes, that is Uttarakhand. What it is? Uttarakhand. There are the state is there. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes, it's a northern side, Uttarakhand. Okay. See now when this Uttarakhand formed. Okay, when this Uttarakhand formed, the date of formation is 9th November 2000. Okay, 9th November 2000, the formation of Uttarakhand came to. Now, have you seen all this India map? I think many have not seen. See this now. Today we can see the India map, all that in white. That is our country. Okay, that is a map of our country, and that red is Uttarakhand. So that red, the state Uttarakhand, we are doing the tour of Uttarakhand, and there we are learning about the festivals. Now, see, so many festivals. I'm showing you the colorful, you know, flowers, the pots. Okay, flowers, pots are there. Okay, then many people behind around. Okay, you can see women dressed up very beautifully. Okay, all nut, colorful bangles, and in that pot, flowers are there. And you can hear the first part of the picture. You can see gods. You know, Rath Yatra when all we take place now. Okay, the first picture you can see it's about some god we will see, and you can see the second part of that one slide only. Women carrying pots on their head, flowers are there. What it is we will see. First we will see so many festivals. Festivals means what? Yes, first see there, see the screen. Here, see people are dancing. You see so many things there, flags you can see. Yes, and gods they are taking Rath Yatra. Everywhere we do in every state we do Rath Yatra. You know, we carry that god in that Rath and that Yatra we see. So here also you can see people. You know, they dance with the devotional. You know, bhajan songs, devotional songs. They all about the gods they celebrate. We celebrate how festivals we celebrate colorful, no? All the decoration with the flowers, singing, dancing to God, and the Rath Yatra. Okay, you can see that. Now I'm showing you temple here. One temple is there. I'll tell you. First, I'm just introducing you all what it is there about the festival. Okay, see, many people are standing there in the queue where festivals are celebrated, maybe temples. So, most of the festivals will be connected to the temple because Uttarakhand is, as I told you, the land of gods, Devbhoomi. Okay, you saw? Yes. See, the temple over here. See, mountain. You can see that the mountain there.
I can see, ma'am.
Yes, and some white
I
road.
can see, ma'am.
You can see the white over there. There also, so many temples are there. Uttarakhand is a hilly region, So many temples are found on the top of hill. The second picture you can see there. Something white, the steps, the road is going and temple is there, and first the temple is there. Okay. See here, children, see children, what they are doing all. First picture and second picture, you can see some colorful costume. Yes, colorful costume. Yes, they're dancing. You know, different, all culture. Yes, they got. We will see now. Dancing, they have climbed on top of that sea and see that blue colored, you know, different the rituals, the costumes also will be differs. Okay, each festival or each, usually that hilly region pahadi people. Okay, you can see those caps also, the drums, you can what they are carrying as a the musical instruments. We differ from state to state. So we'll learn about this. Just this is an introduction. Now, first we will learn about Full Devi festival. Now, what is this Full Devi festival is? This is signification harvest festival. Harvest festival, how what we do in our state also we do no harvest festival, Sankratri. You know, no, you have you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Sankranti. What is that? Harvest festival. So here in Uttarakhand, Puldi is a harvest festival. What is this? Harvest festival. What is this harvest festival we will learn here? Is a reference paid to the gods for the good crop year. It is on this occasion, little girls decorate the threshold of the house with freshly picked flowers. You know, as I told you, Sankratri, it is a harvest festival. You know, in our country, you know, where the crop, the newly crop is cut, okay, removed from the fields, and it is in the hip, and they do puja and all. If you visit village and all, so the good crop we are thanking here for a good crop that God has given. What is this crop? You may be asking. Crop means like ragi, jowar, rice, the paddies and all, no? What it is grown in the fields. What it is grown in the fields, no? Jowar, wheat, ragi, pulses. All it is this crop, you know, for that is called crop. Okay, that is called crop. So when that is reaped and when we cut that, we do that festival. Okay, what that festival is called? Harvest festival. So in harvest festival, this harvest we call in our state Sankratri, but here so in Uttarakhand it is called as Pool Di. Pool Di. Pool means flower. Flowers, you know, no? Pool मतलब pool बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here
Yes, ma'am.
it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here this in this festival, Puldi, it is the harvest festival. And here in Uttarakhand, this occasion, how they do? Little girls, means small girls, they decorate the threshold of the house. Threshold, how? What is threshold? Front of the house, you know, humbar we say na, humbra. Kumbra, we see, no, your mommy puts rangoli and puts there near the door down, all that door. Yes, that is called threshold of the house. So there they put fresh, yes, there they put with fresh
Yes, ma'am.
freshly picked flowers. Okay, there they put this freshly picked flowers. So this is one Puldi festival. That is the Puldi festival is a harvest festival. What it is? What it is? Harvest festival. Puldi. Remember, okay? Yes, we will. Puldi is a harvest festival. There, it is the it is paid to thank the gods for the good crop. And these little girls, they decorate their threshold of the house, of their houses with freshly picked flowers. Okay, flowers they put there and then they decorate. We all decorate our houses. So you came to know about Puldi festival. Understood about Full Day festival?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Full Day is once more I will tell you. Yes, once more I'll tell you. Full Day is the harvest festival. Okay. Their little girls decorate the threshold of the house with freshly picked corn. Here, stop talking. Okay. Next, you can see here. There, what they are doing. See, the girls, they are doing puja, Vata Savitri. Here, one more festival. There, the grass is grown. Here, hip of there, that is the harvest festival they are doing here. The crop which they have grown, they have collected all women there, and they are just in between. We do this harvest festival, no? This, the first picture. And here, the second picture, you can see the Vata Savitri. Okay, we call Vata Savitri here, no? In our state, your mamas do know they go to that people big banyan tree. Okay, that banyan tree, and they put thread around. Okay, your mama, maybe your mothers do that. Yes, yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, in the next slide, see, this is one more. See here, uh, you can see the festival, what they are singing. They have got their own song, dance. They are singing. See, different costume here. The previous one costume that climbed on top, blue and red was there. Here, red only is there. What about them is this is northern eastern states. They have got particular caps, different each, Assam, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, particular that cap they have, and it represent also their costume. Okay, it represent their costume. You can see here in the first picture they are dancing. Okay, they are dancing here with green and red costume. They are dancing. And the second picture you can see there. What can you see? Tell me. In that one same slide, you can see the picture there. What can you see? Tell me.
Flower.
Very good. Flower. So many flowers. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes, yes, very good. These flowers were nice color. This hill region flowers are, yes, beautiful. Different type of flowers. This where it is grown. Tulip, for example, that flower. It is grown mostly in the northern states there. Okay, so here different types of flowers. There, it is carried in the, as I told you, Fuldi, that festival that decorates with the flowers. So here you can see the little girls also wearing, putting flowers in their, on their head, on that cap it is there, and you can see the costume. Okay, see how the girls are dressed, and there with the picture is with the flowers, the Fuldi, as I told you. Understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we have learned. Yes, one more festival Uttarakhand celebrates is colorful festivals. That is what color. What is colorful festival? We celebrate everywhere. We celebrate every year. Everywhere it is celebrated. Holi. Yes. Very good. Yes, very good. Holi festival. Everybody likes Holi festival. Yes or no? Everybody likes no Holi.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What you all
Yes,
do?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So let's see in Uttarakhand how they celebrate this holy festival. Okay. In Uttarakhand, we know we celebrate, all celebrate in a little different way. Somewhere the reason, okay, the reason of celebration is same. Okay, but it is celebrated in a little different way according to our own custom, own tradition, own rituals. Every state has its own language, own traditions, own customs. Okay, here we will learn about Uttarakhand, how they celebrate Holi festival. So, a colorful festival made from colorful with the distinct folk songs and music Uttarakhand Holi marks the state's rich culture and specific style to do things differently. Okay, here in Uttarakhand, it's a colorful with a distinct folk song. Folk songs means not regular what you hear in the song. Folk songs are which are sung in a hill region, in a village. It describes the culture. Folk songs describe the culture, our tradition. Okay, this is so all this is called as a folk song. What it is called? FOLK, folk songs and music. As I told you, this for every
Yes,
yes, the every instrument. Okay, as I earlier also I told you, instrument also differs from state to state. How we play music, the sound of music, the tune of music, the instrument, the costumes. So it all differs from state to state. And I showed you of Uttarakhand, and there in the holy this colorful festival is of a folk song, different folk song means in this folk song it describes the way of living of the people in that region. Okay, their customs, their tradition, their values. So in that, this is called the folk songs. Okay, so Uttarakhand Holi marks state's rich culture. I said rich culture is what? All their way of living, way of their richness, their customs, tradition. So all that comes as a culture, and specific style to do things differently. So as I told you, every state does differently. So Uttarakhand also is the specific style they do in a different way. Now Komini, this is the okay. Kumoni is a holy festival. Okay, Kumoni is a holy as a festival. It celebrates the joy of togetherness, culture, and colors that add more meaning and happiness. This vibrant festival is extravagantly roasted over a period of 2 months in Kumar. Okay, so this Kumani Holy Festival, all festival we what is this, as I told you, it is the behind that celebrating festival is of togetherness only. Yes or no? As we have learnt in family that why we meet together, we celebrate together. Why we celebrate the festivals? To the joy of togetherness to all the whether in family, the neighbors, the village, the city, the town, to come togetherness and share their culture, represent their culture in a colorful way. Colors. You go to festival. We have learned carnival festival. We have learned that carnival festival, right? About carnival festival. All this is what it shows our culture, our tradition. To come togetherness, to show the happiness. Okay, so this is the festival in that is Kumoni Holy Festival is there, and Holy Festival. Huldeyi and Holy Festival, and Kumoni Holy Festival of Uttarakhand. Now, see, I want to show you the colorful. See how they are playing, Just see. Can you see that colorful festival? They are playing with colors.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See there. There are four
Ma'am,
pictures. Yes, there are four pictures. A lot. We all play. Yes. This is I'm showing the picture of Uttarakhand. Okay. We are on tour of Uttarakhand. Today we are on tour of Uttarakhand. See there how they are celebrating. We all celebrate, but today we are celebrating or we are showing off Uttarakhand. See, in first picture, colors are there in the plate, and you can see boys dancing, throwing the colors. Here you can see in the second picture, woman with all their gungat. Okay, they are playing that colorful. Here also colors. In this fourth picture, you can see that green color, like it is full all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, merrymaking, singing, dancing, okay, playing, eating, everything comes in this. Okay.
Music.
Now one more festival, two festivals, that Haryala and Bitoli festival. Okay, Haryala and Bitoli. What is this Haryala and Haryala and Bitoli. This is celebrated 4 times in the year in Kumon region of Uttarakhand. Kumon is a region, okay, of Uttarakhand. Haryali and Bitoli marks itself an important folk festival, as I told you. For what are this folk music that which shows the tradition, okay, in which prayers are offered for the prosperity of crops. Where Uttarakhand, as I told you, it is a Pahadi lok. Pahadi lok, we say, no, Pahadi lok, hill people. So they got their own music, like own folk songs, own traditions. So what is this Haryali and Bitoli? Their praying, their praise are offered for what? For prosperity of crops. More and more crops they want. Prosperity means this time they will yield more. The next year they are praying for better, more and best crops. Okay, the quality of the crops, the quantity of the crops. Crops means I told you, without crops can we survive? No. Crops means I told you, the growing of paddy, wheat, rice, jowar, then pulses. These crops. With that crops only we all eat, no? We all eat chapati, rice, dal, chawal. We all eat, no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. Then here, yes. So here here Haryali and Bitoli festival is celebrated in the Kumon region. Why, for what it is celebrated? So folk festival, which prayers are offered for prosperity, means to grow more and more crops, to grow better and better good crops, quality crops. So why we everyone who are we are dependent upon crops, no? So they are praying for gods. So that is Haryala and Bitoli festival. So you can see here, they have done prayers. They are doing prayers. You can see God's photo there behind. And in pot, you can see that grass type. That is paddy. Actually, when it is grown, when they saw before little they saw, it is grown little. So in front of God, we are where we pray. We pray to God, right? So we are praying. You can see there in the picture photos of Hanumanji, Durga Devi, Lakshmi ji is there. There you can see clearly one picture, the second picture, crop that in that pot, mud is put and the crops, flowers, haldi, kumkum is there. Then they have coconut where there agarbatti they have put. We know we all do puja, right? How we do puja? Yes or no? How we do prayers? We all know, right, children? We all know,
yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes. So same here. This is the harvest. Yes, they are offering to gods. They are praying to gods to for the prosperity of crops. See here, the crops here. It is grown. You can see here the rice, the paddy. They have kept the diya in that. Okay, one bowl they have kept rice and diya is there. And what they have grown in their fields, they have kept there and they are offering prayers. Okay, one more festival is Ganga Dashra festival. Okay, this is what Ganga Dashra, you north side, the flow of a river Ganga river, have you heard? That is our state river, that is our holiest river. You all have heard about Ganga river? Have you heard about Ganga river? Yes. Now, yes, Ganga Dashra festival is commemorating the descent of river Ganga on the earth. This religious festival is when the devotees have an opportunity to take dip in the water of this holy river in Haridwar and Rishikesh to cleanse their soul and all their sin. Ganga Nana hai, Ganga Dubki mas, Ganga is our, so pious river where we take dip, holy bath, Kumbh Mela and all. Have you heard about Kumbh Mela? Have you heard about Kumbh Mela? Kumbh Mela, you can see on national news also. Kumbh Mela. Have you heard? You have to.
No, ma'am.
You have to.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. They take holy dip in the Ganga river. Why? Why? To cleanse their soul. To cleanse their soul and all their sins. They will go to river to take bath. by to clean all our souls and what sins we have committed. Okay, so to cleanse that soul and our sin, we take dip in holy rivers. So here Ganga Dashra in Uttarakhand, that the religious festival where devotees have the opportunity, they go into the river, they take a dip there 1 2 times and they do namaskar to the river. So here the holy river Ganga, where in Haridwar and Rishikesh, they go to Haridwar and Rishikesh where the Ganga flows there. Okay, their Ganga flows there. They take a holy bath, Kumbh Mela and all holy bath. For what they take holy bath? uh, in Ganga to cleanse their soul and their sin. Soul is a body, in our what a heart, a mind, to clean what mistakes we have made, the sins we have made. So they take, this is the Ganga Dashera festival in Uttarakhand. See here. Now, if you that time, yes, children, you have to watch TV, the news also. This part, you see many men are doing arti there. Many are doing arti. Can you see there? Yes, big arti. Yes, it is on the banks of river Ganga. It is the banks of river Ganga. Yes, they do one big arti. Yes, you can just internet. You can type there. You can that arti about banks of river Ganga. It is so beautiful, children. It is very nice. You can watch there. It is at a time that arti, all people singing that arti song, the bell noise, it's very nice. Once we will definitely will show that also. But you can see the picture. This is the arti, the river Ganga, on the banks of Ganga. This they do the arti in Haridwar and Rishikesh. Okay, and you see the temples there. See here Ganga river. Okay, can you see the Ganga river? Can you see the? Yes. See how beautiful. Yes, how beautiful the Ganga river is. Okay, see the river. What have done? Yes. You saw the river. People are taking bath. Huh? See the picture. And the side, river Ganga. They do puja. You see that diya, flowers. Can you see that? Can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
this is river Ganga. Okay, now Gi Sankranti. Gi Sankranti is the festival marking the harvest season. Okay, Gi Sankranti in Uttarakhand is to way to demonstrate gratitude for the agriculture. Mainly, they are celebrating the agriculture, the crops. Okay, so this festival is they are celebrated as Gi Sankranti festival. Okay, it's they offered ghee prepared dishes as well. As I told you how they celebrate that Fuldi and that Sankranti festival, here they offer ghee. Okay, prepared the dishes with, we make sweets with ghee, peda, so laddu, so no, whatever sweets prepared with ghee, it is offered. Okay, about ghee Sankranti festival, which is also is known as Olgia festival, is celebrated on the first day of the month of August in Uttarakhand. Okay, so there are many festivals, children, here. Many festivals we will learn. Okay, this much is enough for you all. So I hope you liked what a little about festivals of Uttarakhand. In the other subjects also we'll learn about more about Uttarakhand. So about the festivals, some festivals which I showed you, you remember that, and you should know about Uttarakhand. Okay, children, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.